Hi, some of you want to use QR codes to share your presentations. I'll show you how to do that. It's very easy. This is an example of a property HighNote. So a HighNote presentation that talks about the property. Um, and so sometimes when you're doing open houses, people are coming in and you want to give them property information, but you don't want to give them a statement um, or email them or anything like that. Have them scan the QR code, and they will have this um, property marketing presentation. So very easy. You just get the code and generate a code. You could generate a public code, a public link, and go to your favorite QR viewer or QR generator. And I just pasted right here. And then you could just say 1, 2, 3, 4 Sanchez. You could add statistics, but you have a QR code. There you go. This is the QR code that you can use, and anytime someone scans it, they will be taken to this presentation. Hope that helps.